The PERLESMITH PSTVS09 universal TV stand offers a sturdy, steel and tempered glass design that feels stable and secure even with larger televisions within its supported range. Its wide compatibility handles many flat-screen televisions in the mid-size range, so it is a practical replacement for original feet or an alternative to wall mounting across various brands. The stand can swivel left and right, making it easy to fine-tune the viewing angle for different seating positions without moving the entire base. Multiple height adjustment positions allow you to raise or lower the screen so the center of the television lines up comfortably with your eye level or clears a soundbar. The tempered glass base and central steel column not only look clean and modern, but also help keep cables routed neatly behind the television for a tidier setup. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to clearly labeled hardware and a logical mounting system, so most users can install it on a tabletop without drilling into walls or hiring help.